the party, once again, we reiterate our stand that we are the party being part and parcel with the MDA government. Boundary settlement is one of our issue that we have raised time and again. So today the party would like to tell the people of the state that the second phase settlement of the boundary dispute, we hope that it will meet our long pending issue to be settled down by this present government. And we also extend our appreciation the terms of reference of the 5 core principles while settling this long pending matter of boundary in between Meghalaya and Assam. Because the government of the day and the counterpart government of Meghalaya, of Assam, they are mutually agreed upon that the term of reference based on 5 mutual principles. The first principle based on historical perspective. Secondly, ethnicity of local population. Thirdly, based on the contiguity with boundary. Fourth, perception of the peoples living in the area. And fifthly, based on the administration of convenience. So the 6th sector remaining part to be settled, it will be more convenient for us to meet these 5 terms of reference. So as one of the member of the regional committee of the West Khasi Hills district, we hope that the regional committee of the West Khasi district under the leadership of Sri Medba as its chairman will soon take a step to talk, to discuss with the counterpart regional committee of Kamrup district of Assam state to speed up the talk in between the 2 regional committees. And I also would like to tell to the people that in the West Khasi Hills we have one more sector, that is the Langpi sector. Yes, we know it is a fact that it is one of the complicated sector, but by applying the 5 cores of principle, we hope that the people of that area will cooperate with the government and we will find the final solution that this long pending settlement of boundary, the people of that area will have the opportunity to express and to put forward their demands, and the regional committee of both the state of Meghalaya and Assam will accept it